Mm. Okay, hello everyone. Hello everyone, guys. Good evening, everyone. How are you all? Good evening, everyone. Just please comment once about the audio and video of the class. Is everything is working good, working fine for all of you guys? Yes or no? Hi, Ruchi. Hi, Hema. Hello, everyone. All of you, just please at least subscribe this channel, okay, and press the bell notification icon. Why? Because whenever I am taking any marathon class, any MCQ session on Macmillan, or other than Macmillan, I am taking any marathon session, that session will be on this channel only, right? So you have to subscribe this channel and press the bell notification icon. I have uploaded a very important series in this particular channel, that is the Sure Short series, where I am giving you the explanation of that topics which are very important for your examination. Random topics from IEIFS and PPB, which there are high chances that you will get questions. Okay, and I am explaining that particular topics in 10 to 15 minutes video. So that is a very essential series for all of you. If you go in the video section of this particular channel, you will find that particular series, right? So everyone kindly watch that series also. Plus every Macmillan marathons I will be uploading, or I will be taking live on this channel, so kindly just go and subscribe with this channel, everyone. Okay, so let's start discussing this module A. Okay, Macmillan. The very first question is, the principal function of the bank is or are. So what is the principal function of the bank? Accepting deposit, lending and investment, non-fund business and remittance services, all of the above or only A and B. The principal functions of the bank is or are. Is, everyone, please answer this question. The principal function of the bank is or are. Is, everyone, please answer this question. The principal function of the bank is. Yes, so Ruchi has said all. That is correct. Accepting deposit for the purpose of lending and investment, plus the remittance services which the bank is giving, these are all considered as the principal function of the bank. So D is correct, means all of the above is correct, right? Good. Next question. When a bank lends money to the corporate person, bank is lending money to the corporate person, the relationship is of borrower lender, creditor debtor, debtor creditor, or customer client. Everyone, bank is giving money to the corporate person, so the relationship here is, because the bank is giving money, bank is what, and the corporate person is called as what? Everyone, please answer this question. Very easy. Mansa, Arnav, Hema, Ruchi. Okay, everyone, there are 9 bankers watching this session. Everyone, at least just like the video. At least just like the video. Everyone, just please answer this question. So, when a bank lends money to the corporate person, the relationship between them is of what? Yes, so bank is lending money, bank is a creditor, corporate person is a debtor, creditor, debtor is the correct answer. Obviously, B is the correct answer. Next question. What relationship is created when the bank collects a check in clearing? Collects a check in clearing. Holder for the value, clearing member and principal, agent and principal, collecting bank and holder, or none of the above. Very easy. So when a bank is accepting check for the clearance, then what is actually the relationship here? Everyone, please answer this question. Please answer this question, guys. So bank collects a check for clearing. So in this, actually, the bank is acting on the request of its client. Client is the principal and bank is acting as an agent. So the relationship is of agent and principal, right? Yes, Ruchi, the correct answer is C. Arnav, C. Yes, Hema. Everyone, C is the correct answer, because C, Now here bank collects a check because bank is acting on the behalf of the principal, or it is acting on the request of its client or customer. So client and customer is giving instructions, so they are the principal, bank is an agent, so the agent and principal is the relationship. Next, demand deposits are those which are on request, on sanction by manager, on demand, or on persuasion. Very easy. Demand deposits are those which are payable on request, sanction, demand, or persuasion. Very easy. Hello, Mahendra. How are you? Mahendra is a previous cycle banker, okay, who have cleared his JIB examination, right, in the last, and he is actually studying in the October batch, right? So how are you, Mahendra? How is everything going, and how is your CIB preparation is going? The main thing, CIB preparation. So you have cleared your CIB examination also, right? In the December, I think so. Good. So here, if we talk about the demand deposit, yes, these are those deposits which are payable on demand, right? Good. Next, merchant bankers are financial broker, financial intermediaries, underwriters, credit appraiser, or all of the above. Okay, good. So CIB registration is actually started recently, I think from yesterday. So you have to register, you have to just get up and clear your examination. Okay. So merchant bankers, no Hema, just please read out this question. Merchant bankers, they are actually acting as a financial intermediary. Merchant banking, in merchant banking, the banks are actually playing the role of the financial intermediary. First unit, module A, bank customer relationship. I have explained it in detail, right? Next. Next question is, bank appoint a dash who is responsible for the submission of the reports to Financial Intelligence Unit India, designated director, company secretary, principal officer, or compliance officer. So the correct answer is, everyone, bank appoints a dash who is responsible for the submission of reports to Financial Intelligence Unit India. So the correct answer is, so bank should appoint a principal officer, right, Ruchi? Yes, C is the correct answer. So bank should appoint a principal officer who is actually responsible for the submission of the report to the Financial Intelligence Unit India. So C is the correct answer, everyone. Okay. Next. Customers are typically categorized in dash risk categories: 4, 3, 2, or 5. Customers are typically categorized in dash risk categories. So, in how many risk categories the customers are categorized? Everyone, please answer this question. Everyone, at least please like the video. Whoever is watching this session, it's a request, everyone, to just please like this video. Everyone, first of all, just please like this video, everyone. Okay, so if we talk about this question, yes, it is characterized into three particular risk: high, medium, and low risk customer, right? So this is the categorization of the customer according to their profile. Director of Financial Intelligence Unit India can take action against dash for the violation of the PMLA obligations: bank, employee, principal officer, or all of the above. So Director of Financial Intelligence Unit India can take action against whom if they are not complying with the Prevention of Money Laundering Act obligations. So the correct answer for this question is what? Yes, all of the above. So they can take action against bank, they can take action against employee, they can take action against principal officer. The correct answer is D. All of the above is the correct answer. Next question. Non-profit organizations transaction report pertains to dash in the account of NPOs, not profit organizations. Non-profit organization transaction reports pertain to dash cash transaction, all receipt above the threshold value or cash receipt. Everyone, please answer this question. Everyone, please answer this question. Everyone, please answer this question. Okay, so non-profit organization transaction reports pertains to receipt above a threshold value in the accounts of non-profit organization. Okay, non-profit organization transaction. This is actually unit second, module A, right? I have explained it in the KYC guidelines, right? Next. Next question is, in case of a company which is not listed, any individual withholding more than dash of the total share capital is a beneficial owner. So I have told you that beneficial owner KYC is also compulsory. Okay, so who is a beneficial owner? I have explained in detail. So you have to tell me if it is a company which is not listed, that holding more than dash of the total share capital is a beneficial owner of that company. 15, 30, 10, or 25% in case of a company. So the correct answer is, that is a very important question, and I have given you this, that this is a very important question for you all. Everyone, please answer this question. So it is 10%, everyone. So if it, any individual is holding more than 10% of the total share capital in the company, then that person is called as a beneficial owner of that company. And in this case, the beneficial owner KYC is compulsory. So C here is the correct answer. You have to remember it. Okay, C is the correct answer. Next, customer acceptance policy of a bank should state that a bank will not open an account which is operated by third person on the behalf of account holder for a professional intermediary for its client in a Benami name or without a PAN. Customer acceptance policy of a bank should state that the bank will not open an account for what? Everyone, please answer this question. Everyone, everyone, please subscribe to this channel. Okay, I always share the link, but you have to subscribe this channel, right? So if we talk about the customer acceptance policy, yes, obviously the bank should not open any account in a Benami name. So C is the correct answer. True? Yes, Hema. Yes, Arnav. Yes, Smriti. Yes, Sukanya. Yes. Okay, next. Among the documents stated below, Dash is not an officially valid document. PAN card, job card by Narega, letter issued by NPR, National Population Registrar, or proof of possession of Aadhaar number. Among the documents stated below, Dash is not an officially valid document. Everyone, that is not an officially valid document. Obviously, it is PAN card. PAN card is not an officially valid document. Good. In case of NRI, non-residential Indians, for the purpose of opening account, a copy of KYC document may be certified by whom? NRI himself, employer of NRI, any bank branch, or by a judge. So if you are an NRI, if you want to open an account, then for your KYC, the certification should be come from NRI herself, employer, bank branch, or a judge. So the correct answer for this question is everyone. Please answer this question. Everyone, please answer this question. My voice is low. I think Rigved, there is something wrong by your side because I am speaking loudly. Plus, I don't think so that my voice is not clear. Everyone, you are having any issue in the voice? So, in case of NRI, it should be certified by a judge. It should be certified by whom? It should be certified by a judge. So D is the correct answer, right? So in case of NRI, for the purpose of opening an account or copy of KYC document, it should be certified by a judge. Okay, so D is the correct answer. Okay. A current account cannot be operated by woman, individual, illiterate person, or non-resident. A current account cannot be operated by whom? Everyone, please answer this question. A current account cannot be operated by whom? A woman, individual, illiterate person, or a non-resident. So the correct answer for this question is yes. So if we talk about the current account, it is not given to Pardanasheen women, illiterate person, minor. Okay, so the correct answer is C. An illiterate person is not allowed to operate a current account. So C is the correct answer. Yes, C. Next question. A minor age dash years or above is allowed to operate a saving bank account individually. A minor age dash years and above is allowed to operate a saving bank account individually. So there is a basic age, and basic, over and above basic age, bank is allowed to determine their own age, fix their own age also, in which they allowed the minor to operate the saving bank account individually or independently. So if there is a minor who age 10 years and above, right, D is the correct answer. 10 years and above, then they are allowed to operate the saving bank account independently, right? Next question. For a safe deposit locker, a customer can make dash nominees. In a safe deposit locker, a customer can make dash nominees. One, more than one, four, or two. In a safe deposit locker, a customer can make how many nominees? One, more than one, four, or two. So the correct answer is, everyone please answer this question. So the correct answer is what? So the correct answer is what? Obviously, more than one, more than one, more than one. Okay, so in a safe deposit locker, a customer can choose to have a more than one nominee also. B is the correct answer, right? B is the correct answer. Next question. If it is a single operator, then only single individual can be a nominee. If it is a joint account, then it can have a more than one nominee also. Okay? Yes, Hema. Interest rate on fixed deposit can be different on deposit based in rural areas, individual, different tenure, or of women. Very easy. Interest rate on FDs can be different on deposits in rural areas, of individual, of different tenure, or of women. So the correct answer for this question is what, everyone? Yes, so if they have different time period, their interest rate can be different, right? It doesn't depends upon rural areas, individual or women. So C is the correct answer. Okay, good. Next, which of the following requirement is not mandatory for check under the check truncation system 2010 standards? Field placement as prescribed, security threat, pre-filled account field, or watermark. Which of the following is not mandatory for the check truncation system? Check truncation system, which is not mandatory for the check truncation system. So the correct answer is, so there is security threats which are not mandatory for the check truncation system standards 2010. Other than that, all things are compulsory, right? Okay, next question. Under the CTS process, check truncation system process, dash images is or are to be taken of each check. Check truncation process, how many images is or are to be taken of each check? 2, 1, 3, or 4. How many images of the check? Everyone, please answer this question. At least everyone who is watching this video, just please like and share the video. Guys, everyone, please like and share the video. At least just please like the video. And all of you guys, 10 bankers are watching, I am seeing that you all haven't subscribed this channel. See, again I'm saying that please subscribe this channel and please press the bell notification icon, because every time I'm taking the marathon, like the tomorrow's marathon module B, then day after tomorrow marathon C and D, it will be on this particular channel. So you have to subscribe this channel, everyone. Okay. Now, if we talk about the check truncation process, dash images is or are taken of each check. Three images: front black and white, back black and white, and front back is grayscale image. So these three images are taken for the check truncation process. C is the correct answer. Next, which of the following statement is not acceptable in the check collection policy? Not acceptable. The bank will take all the possible measure for safeguarding the instrument, compensate the customer for any delay, not responsible for any delay arising out of their circumstances. No compensation will be paid for the delay in the collection of the local check. Not acceptable in the check collection policy. Which of the following is not acceptable in the check collection policy? Everyone. Which of the following is not acceptable in the check collection policy? Rigved D, Sukanya D, Kavita, Ruchi, Arnav, Hema, everyone. So the correct answer is yes. So if you are saying that no compensation is paid for the delay in the collection of local check, that is wrong. D is the correct answer. Next, lien is a dash of a creditor to retain the possession. Right, instrument, obligation, interest. Very easy. The lien, I just explain you what is the lien. Okay, lien is the dash of the creditor to retain the possession, everyone. Lien is the dash of the creditor to retain the possession. Yes, lien is the right of the creditor to retain the possession. Next, banker's lien is a bailment of a good, agreement, implied pledge, or an stoppage. Please answer this question. Banker's lien is a bailment of good, agreement, implied pledge, or an stoppage. Banker's lien is a what? Everyone. Banker's lien is a what? Everyone, please answer this question. Banker's lien is a, yes, banker's lease in a implied pledge means you don't have to necessarily express it exclusively. It is already understood that bank has the right to retain the possession of the good until the debt of the debtor is fully paid. So C is the correct answer. Implied pledge, C is the correct answer. Okay, next, right to appropriate the debit balance in one account with the credit balance in another account is called as garnishee, set off, lien, or rating. Very easy. Right to set off the credit balance in one account with the debit balance in another account is called as what? Everyone, please answer this question. Yes, it is called as the right to set off. B is the correct answer. It is called as the right to set off. B. Next, mandate is a dash. Stamped agreement, memorandum of understanding, unstamped agreement, or the letter of authority. Mandate is a mandate. Everyone. Mandate is a mandate is a, it is a right to set off. B. Yes. Mandate, yes, mandate is a unstamped agreement, while power of attorney is a stamped agreement. I have already given you the difference in detail. Power of attorney is a stamped agreement. Mandate is an unstamped agreement. C is the correct answer. Next question. The person to whom a power of attorney is given is called as, the person to whom a power of attorney is called as dash, and who give it is called as dash. Very easy. Everyone, very easy. Person, power of attorney. Power of attorney. Everyone, please answer this question. Power of attorney. Power of attorney. Everyone, please answer this question. Power of attorney. Power of attorney. Everyone, please answer this question. Power of attorney. Power of attorney. Everyone, please answer this question. Power of attorney. Power of attorney. Everyone, please answer this question. Power of attorney. Power of attorney, the person to whom the power of attorney is given is called as the donee, and to who or who give it's called as the donor. The one who is giving is called as the donor, and the one who receives is called as the donee. You are all saying pawner and pony. Pony, just a second. Just a second, you guys, everyone. Just a second. I'm just checking it out. There is a confusion in this thing because I think pawner and pony is different. Sometime I am confused in this also. Power of attorney, right? Just a second. Just a second, everyone. Yes, it is donor and donee. It is not pawner and pony. Why you are calling as pawner and pony? It is donor and donee. I am correct here. You all confused me. Okay, it is donee and donor. The person to whom it is given, it is donee, and who gave it is called as the donor. It is not pawner and pony. Okay, next. As per the FEMA, the basic criteria for a person to be considered as a resident Indian during the preceding financial year, which must be for a minimum of dash days, 90, 182, 180, or 91 days. So, Foreign Exchange Management Act has defined the resident Indian rules that you have to stay for how many days, minimum for how many days in the preceding financial year to be called as the resident Indian. So, the correct answer for this question is yes, it is 182 days. 182 days is the correct answer, right? Next question. Drawal of a foreign of exchange or drawal of foreign exchange by resident is not permitted for visit to which country? Bhutan, Myanmar, Sri Lanka, or Bangladesh? Everyone. Now, this already I have explained. Everyone. So, if you are drawing your foreign exchange for your visit to which country is not permissible? It is not permissible. Bhutan, Myanmar, Sri Lanka, or Bangladesh. So, if you are withdrawing your foreign exchange for visiting to Bhutan, no, for visiting to Bhutan, then it is not allowed. It is Bhutan. Yes. Okay. So, A is the correct answer here. Everyone. Okay. Done. Next. The ceiling on the amount permitted to be remitted under the liberalized remittance scheme initially was how many dollars? 75,000, 50,000, 10,000, or 25,000? Everyone. The ceiling on the amount permitted to be remitted under the liberalized remittance scheme initially was how many dollars? 75, 50, 10, or $25,000? So the correct answer for this question is what? So the correct answer for this question is what? It is initially it is $25,000. So the correct answer is D here. Okay. Next question. Remittance under the Indo-Nepal remittance scheme are made by which settlement system? Dedicated remittance, NEFT, RTGS, or SWIFT? Very easy. So if you are remitting money by using the Indo-Nepal remittance scheme, it will be settled under which system? Dedicated remittance, NEFT, RTGS, or SWIFT? So the correct answer for this question is everyone. So the correct answer for this question is what? Please answer this question, guys. Yes, so the correct answer is NEFT. Hema, why SWIFT? I have told you that Indo-Nepal remittance scheme is actually settled by NEFT. NEFT, National Electronic Fund Transfer. So B is the correct answer. B is the correct answer. Okay. Next, investment by person resident outside India is not prohibited in which of the following area? Retail trade, railway operations, cigarette manufacturing, or Nidhi companies is not prohibited. I am asking you that it is not prohibited under which area? Retail trade, railway operations, cigarette manufacturing, or Nidhi companies. Investment by person resident outside India is not prohibited in which of the following industry? So it is not prohibited in retail trade, else in all these areas it is prohibited. So A is the correct answer. Yes, Sukanya, Ruchi, yes. Next, citizen of Dash cannot transfer immovable property in India without the permission of Reserve Bank of India. So, which citizen does not transfer the immovable property without the permission of the Reserve Bank of India? Everyone, everyone, please answer this question. Citizen of Dash cannot transfer immovable property in India without the permission of Reserve Bank of India. It is actually Hong Kong. Citizen of Hong Kong, they cannot transfer immovable property in India without the permission of Reserve Bank of India. So B is the correct answer here. B is the correct answer here. Okay. That next question. Facility of acquisition of property for long-term visa holder is available to the citizen of which country? Bhutan, Myanmar, Afghanistan, or Nepal? So if you are a long-term visa holder, okay, and you are a citizen of which country, then you are allowed to acquire property in India. If you are a citizen of Bhutan, Myanmar, Afghanistan, or Nepal, and if you are a long-term visa holder, then for you the acquisition of property is allowed. So which of the following is the correct thing here? Everyone, please answer this question. Hema, Ruchi, Sukanya, Arnav, everyone. Where are rest of the student? Kavita, Smriti, Rigved, where are those? Where is Shirish? Why he haven't attended the session? Where is Gopal? Why he haven't attended the session? Okay, so the correct answer for this question is what? So the correct answer is Myanmar. See, if you are a long-term visa holder and you are a citizen of Myanmar, you can just do what? You can just acquire the property in India, right? Next, foreign currency denominated account maintained in India cannot be in the form of saving, fixed, current, or recurring deposit. You can all answer this question again. It is an easy question. You can answer this question. And I have already explained this in detail. Everyone. Yes, Anju. Okay, you are Anju. Okay. So foreign currency denominated account maintained in India cannot be in the why FCNRB account. This is the FD account in India. Recurring deposit, it cannot be in the form of recurring deposit. So foreign currency denominated account which is maintained in India, they cannot be in the form of recurring account. It is allowed in saving, fixed, and current account. So D is the correct answer. Okay, next question. Next, foreign currency denominated, okay, sorry, foreign currency, okay, I haven't changed the question here. Okay, just skip this question. Okay. Foreign currency account outside India can be opened by any individual in India. True or false? This statement is true or false. Everyone, please answer this question. Everyone, everyone, please answer this question. Foreign currency accounts outside India can be opened by any individual in India. False or true? So the correct answer for this question is, so if we talk about this, yes, correct. True. True. It is true, Hema. So foreign currency accounts outside India, it can be opened by any individual in India. So B is the correct answer. Next question. Which of the following denotes the cash management services? holding minimum cash at branches, providing adequate cash at ATM, providing solution to optimize liquidity of the corporate, or none of the above. Very easy. Cash management services. Which of the following denotes the cash management services? Everyone. Which of the following denotes the cash management services? Which of the following denotes a cash management services? Everyone. So yes, if we talk about the cash management services, providing solution to optimize liquidity of the corporate, C is the correct answer here. Okay, so C is the correct answer here. Done? Yes. Next, a firm cash program is aimed at accelerating cash inflow and controlling cash outflow. It is true or false? Accelerating cash inflows and controlling cash outflow. A firm cash program is aimed at accelerating cash inflow and controlling cash outflow. It is true or it is false? Everyone, please answer this question. So, if we talk about this, a firm's cash program is aimed at accelerating cash inflow and controlling cash outflow. Yes, it is true. A is the correct answer. Yes, it is true. A is the correct answer. Done? Okay. Next question. A check favoring Rajkumar or order is stolen. The thief endorsed the check as Rajkumar in his favor. The check is presented in clearing and paid by the drawee bank. True owner later sent legal notice to the bank. Now, what is the liability of the bank? The paying bank will get protection under the Negotiable Instrument Act. A forgery does not give any right to the paying bank, hence it is liable. As per Section 85 of Negotiable Instrument Act, the paying act or paying bank is liable. Or as per the section of 131 of Negotiable Instrument Act, the paying bank is liable. So there is a check in which Rajkumar or order is related and it is stolen. So now the thief actually endorsed this check in his favor, and the drawee bank paid that check. Now, in this case, what is the liability of the paying bank? So it is the chapter, the responsibility of the paying bank. If you all remember, just tell me the answer here. Everyone, please answer this question. Just tell me the answer here, everyone. So the correct answer is, so in this case, because the bank acted in good faith without any negligence and the check contains Rajkumar or order and the thief endorsed that check in his favor. Now, in this case, the paying bank has no liability and they get protection under the Negotiable Instrument Act. So the correct answer here is A. Yes, the correct answer is A. Next question. For check is a valid check, invalid check, dead check, or stale check. Forged check is a dash. Everyone, forged check is a dash. Everyone, please answer this question. Forged check is a dash. You can all answer this question. Forge check. Yes, so if we talk about the forge check, it is an invalid check. Obviously, means the correct answer. Next question, if we talk about the next question, Section 131 of the Negotiable Instrument Act extend protection to dash collecting bank, paying bank, drawee bank, or negotiating bank. So the correct answer is Section 131 actually pays the protection to whom? Everyone, please answer this question. Section 131. Okay, now here I am confused in section 131. It is collecting bank or paying bank. I am confused here. I need to check this. Before answering, I need to check this. Everyone just hold out. Sometime I am also confused. Okay, there's no big issue. Section 131. Section 85 is related to the paying bank. Section 131, I guess it is to the collecting bank. If I am not wrong, Section 135 is collecting bank. Yes, it is collecting bank. True. So I'm correct here. Section 131 is the collecting bank. Section 85 is the paying bank, right? So Section 131 of the Negotiable Instrument Act extend protection to the collecting bank. So A is the correct answer here. Okay. Good. Next question. In the absence of proper KYC document, the collecting banker can be held liable for the collection of fraudulent check on the ground of what? Negligence, convenience, crime, or arrogance. In the absence of the proper KYC document, a collecting banker can be held liable for the collection of a fraudulent check on the ground of what? Negligence, convenience, crime, or arrogance. So the correct answer for this question is, everyone please answer this question correctly. In the absence of KYC document, the collecting banker can be held liable for the collection of the fraudulent check on the ground of what? Yes, it is negligence. True is the correct answer. Why everyone is not answering? Ruchi, Smriti, right. Whereas Anju, Hema, Sukanya, Krishna, please answer this question. Done? Next question is, the condition for the collecting bank to claim protection has been laid down under which act? Very easy. The condition for collecting bank to claim protection has been laid down under which act? Indian Contract Act, Banking Regulation Act, Negotiable Instrument Act, or Banking Companies Rule? Very easy. So the correct answer is, the condition for collecting bank to claim protection has been laid down under which act? Negotiable Instrument Act. C is the correct answer. Next, the law relating to the payment of check and protection to a banker is contained under which act? Again, same thing. Payment of check and the protection of a banker. Everyone, same thing. The correct answer is same, Negotiable Instrument Act. Next, a consumer is bound to inform the dash about the lost check leaf. A customer is bound to inform the dash about the lost check leaf. Payee, endorsee, collecting bank, or drawee bank. A customer is bound to inform the dash about the lost check leaves. Everyone. Lost check leaf. A customer is bound to inform the dash about the lost check leaf. They are bound to inform the drawee bank. So the correct answer is D. Next, payment in due course means need not always be made to the holder but can be made to his agent or servant. Need always made to holder but can be made to his agent or servant. Made to the customer's agent or servant, or all of the statements are correct. Payment to be made in due course is actually what? Payment to be made in due course is actually what? Everyone. Payment to be made in due course is actually what? So the correct answer for this question is, the payment in due course need not always made to the holder, but it can be made to his agent or servant also. And then it will be protected under the Negotiable Instrument Act. I have already give you the detailed explanation. If you all remember the Potdar case, the Potdar case in the class, I have given you the detailed explanation of this particular thing in the Potdar case, right? Okay, next, in a joint account, if one of the signature is forged, the bank and customers are equally liable. Only the customer is liable, only the bank is liable, or no one is liable. Everyone, please answer this question. Everyone, in a joint account, if one of the signature is forged, the bank and the customer are equally liable. Only the customer is liable, only the bank is liable, no one is liable. So the correct answer for this question is here only the bank is liable. Why the bank and customer, why customer is liable? If one of the signature is forged and the payment is done, then the bank is only liable for the compensation. C is the correct answer. C is the correct answer. Everyone. Okay. Okay. Next question. A demand draft is issued by the bank is valid for how many months? Demand draft is valid for how many months? So a demand draft is valid for 3 months. You know that after 3 months it is invalid. Demand draft is valid for 3 months. Same in the case of check. All of the following statement is not true with respect to RTGS, real-time gross settlement. One of the following statement is not true. Four statements are given. Fund are transferred from branch of one bank to branch of another bank. Only corporate and government departments can use this. RTGS system is maintained and operated by RBI. Every participant bank of RTGS is required to open a dedicated settlement account for putting through its RTGS transaction. One of the following statement is not true with respect to RTGS. So which of the following statement is not true? Everyone, which of the following statement is not true? Yes, B is the correct answer. This is not true. Next question. Implementation of electronic benefit transfer scheme is meant for which type of consumers? Electronic benefit transfer scheme is meant for which type of customer? Implementation of the electronic benefit scheme is actually for which type of customer? The correct answer is everyone, please like the video. Whoever is watching this video, just please like this video. Everyone, you guys. Okay, so it is for low value account. True. It is for what? It is for low value account. Next question is what? Bank cannot use the service of Dash as a business facilitator or correspondent. Very easy. Bank cannot use the service of Dash as a business facilitator or correspondent. Everyone. Bank cannot use the service of whom as business facilitator or correspondent. Everyone. So yes, it is village sarpanch. I have told you. Yes, Smriti. Good. Village Sarpanch, it is not used as facilitator or correspondent. C is the correct answer. Next, Ministry of Rural Development provide a one-time grant of how many rupees to lead bank in every district to set up one rural self-employment training institute. How much fund is provided in this the settlement of the rural self-employment training institute? Everyone, please answer this question. So the correct answer is what? Yes, if we talk about the correct answer, yes, it is 1 crore. No, no, it is C, 1 crore. Anju, it is 1 crore, right? Next question. Bank are required to have a customer service commitment at every branch, regional office, department at its head office, or none of the above. Bank are required to have a customer service committee at every dash branch, regional offices, department at its head office, or none of the above. Everyone, please answer this question. Yes, at every branch is the correct answer. True. Next question. For online card not present transaction, the authentication process dash online CNP card not present transaction. Everyone. Card not present transaction. For online card not present transaction, the authentication process require an additional factor of authentication based on the information not available on the card. C is the correct answer. Business hours of a bank branch. Fixed by RBI, fixed by the concerned branch, fixed by the district consultative committee. Minimum 4 hours on all weekdays and working Saturdays. Business hours of bank branch. Business hours of a bank branch. Everyone. Yes, it is minimum of 4 hours on all weekdays and working Saturday. The obligation of bank to keep the affairs of their customers secret and or confidential arises from Banking Regulation Act, specific law for banking secrecy, contractual relationship, or none of the above. Very easy. This we have just finished this chapter. Yes, it is a contractual relationship. See, it is what? It is a contractual relationship. Next, in which of the following situation bank is authorized to share the information? In which of the following situation bank is authorized to share the information? We have 4 options here. In which of the following situation is the bank authorized to share the information? Everyone, please answer this question. Bank is authorized to share the information. Yes, if we talk about this, B is the correct answer. Yes, B is the correct answer. Next question. The loan account of Mr. X are overdrawn. Which of the following step is not appropriate here? The loan of Mr. X, the loan account of Mr. X are overdrawn. So you have to answer which of the following steps are not appropriate for this. We have 4 options. So the correct answer for this is everyone. So the correct answer for this is what? Yes, if the bank contact a firm in which the informal recovery process is there, this is not appropriate. This is not allowed. D is the correct answer. Next, which of the following is not a key commitment under the BCSBI code? BCSBI code, which of the following commitment is not required? BCSBI, which of the following commitment is not required? Everyone, please answer this question. Which of the following commitment is not required? To help a customer use their account and services, to sanction loan and facility, to deal quickly and sympathetically, or to publicize the code? Yes, B is the correct answer here. True. Next, Dash act as an internal ombudsman of the bank. Dash act as a internal ombudsman of a bank. Everyone, please answer this question. Internal ombudsman. Please answer this question. So Dash Act. So this is very important question. CCSO, Chief Customer Service Officer. This act as an internal ombudsman of a bank. CCSO, internal ombudsman of the bank. Next question. Bank are required to have a principal nodal officer at the branches, regional offices, zonal offices, or head offices. Bank are required to have a principal nodal officers at the branch, regional office, zonal office, or head office. So the correct answer for this is head office. Bank are required to appoint a principal nodal officer at the head office. Okay. Next, which of these modes of complaint will not be adequate for filing a complaint with the ombudsman? So, if you want to file a complaint with the ombudsman, then which of the following mode of complaint is not adequate? Dropping it in the complaint box, emailing it, submitting it to the branch with acknowledgement, or through the website on the link specified. You have to answer this question. All of you guys, whoever is watching this session, again I'm saying that please subscribe to this channel, because whenever I'm taking the marathon session, plus I have started a very important series, the sure short series for all of you, in which I am giving the explanation of the most expected topics for your examination. So for this, you have to subscribe this channel and press the bell notification icon. Whenever I upload any video, whenever I am taking any marathon, any MCQs marathon, this will be on this channel, right? So you have to subscribe this channel. It is compulsory. Plus, everyone just please like and share the video. Whoever is watching this video, just please at least like it. Okay. So if we want to write this, which of the following mode of complaint is not adequate? It is dropping in the complaint box. A is the correct answer. We will be discussing in the coming chapters. Don't worry. Next, the State Consumer Protection Council has to meet at least dash time in a year. Has to meet at least dash time in a year. State Consumer Protection Council has to meet at least dash time in a year. So the correct answer is it is at least two time in a year. So State Consumer Protection Council has to meet at least two time in a year, right? And the last question is, a person, if he bought a mixer grinder for the retailer, it motor stop after 10 minutes of running. The liability of this is defect will be product manufacturer, trader, retailer, or product service provider. Very easy. You can all answer this question. It is very easy. You can all answer this question. Everyone. So the correct answer is what? So, if we talk about the correct answer, yes, it is the liability of the product manufacturer, right? So, this is module A complete Macmillan questions, everyone. Okay. So, thank you so much, everyone, for attending this session. I hope that this session is useful to all of you. Plus, everyone who is watching this session, it's a kind request to all of you. Just please like the video and just please drop your feedback in the comment section. This is very important for us, right? So just please comment your feedback in the comment section of this video. After I end this streaming, okay, there will be a comment box in this particular video. All of you just please comment your feedbacks, and all of you just please comment your suggestion in this particular video, right? Thank you so much, everyone. Take care. Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye bye, everyone. Take care, guys. Bye.